The Port of Rotterdam stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the power of global trade. As Europe's largest port, it is a bustling hub of activity, where massive container ships, tankers, and cargo vessels converge from all corners of the world. Its sheer scale is awe-inspiring, with sprawling terminals, towering cranes, and a network of waterways and infrastructure that stretches for miles. But what are the factors that have propelled Rotterdam to its position as a maritime giant? Rotterdam's success can be attributed to a confluence of factors, including its strategic location, rich history, cutting-edge infrastructure, and unwavering commitment to innovation. From its humble beginnings as a medieval fishing village, Rotterdam has evolved over centuries to become a global logistics powerhouse, playing a vital role in connecting Europe to the rest of the world. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the factors that have shaped Rotterdam's rise as a maritime giant, exploring its history, infrastructure, economic significance, and impact on global trade. Rotterdam's strategic location at the mouth of the Rhine River has been instrumental in its rise as a maritime powerhouse. Situated on the North Sea, it serves as a natural gateway to the heart of Europe, providing access to a vast hinterland that encompasses some of the world's most industrialized and densely populated regions. The Rhine, one of Europe's most important waterways, flows through the heart of the continent, connecting major industrial centers in Germany, France, Switzerland, and beyond. Rotterdam's position at the mouth of this mighty river has made it a natural hub for the transportation of goods to and from these regions, solidifying its status as a vital link in the global supply chain. Moreover, Rotterdam's deep-water port can accommodate the largest container ships and tankers in the world, allowing it to handle massive volumes of cargo with ease. This strategic advantage, combined with its efficient infrastructure and skilled workforce, has made Rotterdam a preferred port of call for shipping lines and businesses worldwide. Rotterdam's journey from a humble fishing village to a global maritime giant is a testament to its resilience, adaptability, and entrepreneurial spirit. Its roots can be traced back to the 13th century, when a dam was built on the Rot River, giving rise to a small settlement that would later become Rotterdam. Over the centuries, Rotterdam's fortunes grew in tandem with the expansion of trade and exploration. The Dutch Golden Age, a period of unprecedented economic prosperity in the Netherlands, saw Rotterdam emerge as a major center for shipbuilding, trade, and exploration. The city's merchants and seafarers played a pivotal role in establishing Dutch trading posts and colonies around the globe, further enhancing Rotterdam's status as a maritime hub. The Industrial Revolution of the 19th century brought about significant changes, as steam power revolutionized shipping and manufacturing. Rotterdam adapted swiftly to these advancements, expanding its port facilities and developing new industries to meet the growing demands of global trade. The construction of new docks, canals, and railways further strengthened Rotterdam's position as a leading port city. Rotterdam's status as a global maritime leader is underpinned by its state-of-the-art infrastructure and unwavering commitment to innovation. The port boasts a comprehensive network of terminals, docks, and waterways, equipped with the latest technology to ensure the efficient handling of cargo. At the heart of Rotterdam's infrastructure are its massive container terminals, capable of accommodating the largest container ships in the world. These terminals are equipped with towering cranes, automated guided vehicles, and sophisticated software systems that optimize container handling operations, ensuring swift and efficient loading and unloading of cargo. Beyond container handling, Rotterdam's port infrastructure caters to a wide range of cargo types, including liquid bulk, dry bulk, break bulk, and roll-on/roll-off cargo. Specialized terminals and facilities are dedicated to handling these different cargo types, ensuring that each shipment is handled with the utmost care and efficiency. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world's most fascinating ports and maritime hubs.